So how do you make your lock screen pattern visible on a Galaxy device? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can do just that. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make your lock screen pattern visible like this whenever you are drawing, like this, on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, it's actually quite very simple to achieve that. Now for this, what you have to do is open up settings first, then scroll down to security and privacy, then go to your lock screen settings, go to screen lock, enter your current pattern first of all, and here you can see pattern. Tap on pattern, and here you can go ahead and then draw your pattern right here, right? So you can go ahead and simply draw this pattern like this. Now if you want to set this to visibility, normally it is already visible by default, so you don't really have to do anything. If it's not already visible, then what you can do is you can come back towards settings. You can go to Lock Screen and AOD over here, and then go to Secure Lock Settings, draw your pattern right here, and here you can turn on Make Pattern Visible. So if this is disabled, make sure to enable this setting, and that should help you most likely solve the problem. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.